What's up, girly girls? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy, simple, everyday makeup routine. So if you want to see how I go from this bare-faced to this, then keep on watching. So my skincare is already done. Skin is all moisturized and clean. So if you guys want to see a skincare routine, comment below and I'll do that for you. But the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 20. And I'm just gonna buff that out with a buffing brush. I put it directly on my cheeks and I'm just gonna make sure that I spread it out all over my face. Once I'm done spreading it out with the buffing brush, I go in with a damp beauty blender just to make sure that I get it all smooth so that it looks super seamless. I'm over here saying spreading it out, but you know what I mean. I mean, we blend, okay? We don't just spread out, we blend. Look at that, seamless. So because I have a bit of hyperpigmentation, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color orange, and I'm going to color correct. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my dark spots, and I'm going to go back in with that buffing brush, and I'm going to blend it out, okay? I put a few drops of the blurring skin tint on the brush so that I can really blend it out so you can't tell that I had any orange on my face. If you look closely, you'll see that I still have some orange in the corners of my mouth. Honestly, doing my makeup in the viewfinder was not the easiest thing, but trust me when I say I did not leave the house like that. So next, I'm going to do my brows. I'm going in with some Got To Be Glued hair gel that I got from Walmart. I actually really like it. I use one of my little spoolie brushes and I brush my brow hairs up so that they can look fuller than they are. Do you have a preference for what you do first, like the order you do your makeup in? Like I used to do my brows first, but lately I've been doing my base first and I actually really like it. Let me know in the comments down below. So next I'm going to go in with my NYX brow pencil in the color chocolate and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm going to lightly outline the outer edge on the top and the bottom and then I'm going to fill in the rest with hair-like strokes. Once I'm done filling them in, I'm going to brush them up very lightly with the back of the brow pencil. I like to go for a natural look, so my go-to is a softer brow. So that's what I'm doing in this tutorial. So just to clean them up a bit, I'm going to go in with my blurring skin tint, but this time in the shade 19, and I'm just going to carve them out. Once they're cleaned up, I go in with my damp beauty blender and make sure that that blurring skin tint is all blended out. I bring it down to my eyelids too. Next, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color translucent, and I'm just going to put it under my eyes. I'm going to use that same damp beauty blender and really just work it under my eyes. I'm going to put it on my forehead, bring it down the bridge of my nose, put it on my chin. So I mostly just focus on the under eye and my T-zone area so that I don't look shiny. Alright, so I know I'm looking a little ashy, honey, but this is where you're going to have to trust the process. So next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Thick Mint, and I'm really just going to put that, like I'm going to carve my cheeks out. So I'm going to do a little bit around my forehead. I'm going to bring it down my cheeks a little bit. I'm going to go around my face and I'm going to carve out my nose. I like to use an angled brush to do this so that my contour is as sharp as possible but still soft. Now that the setting powder has soaked into my skin a little bit, I'm just going to go back in with the damp beauty blender and remove any excess powder. Now I'm going in with a fluffy brush and I'm using that same bronzer and I'm just going to apply some to my eyelids. Now for my favorite part, the blush, baby. I love blush. So I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette that I actually don't use as an eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use the top 3 right colors as my blush. So I use a fluffy brush and I just kind of go in circular motions around those 3 colors and then I dab that on my cheeks. I washed my brushes right before I did this video, so my blending brush was a little bit damp, so that made my blush look a little more pigmented than I'm used to, but I actually like it. I love blush. So next I'm going to go in with some mascara on my bottom lashes just to make them pop out a little bit. And can we take a moment to appreciate my lashes? I actually did these myself. These are some cluster lashes I got from Amazon. So if you want a tutorial on how I got my lashes to look like lash extensions, leave me a comment below and I'll make that for you guys next. Alright, for the next order of business, we're going to do the lips. So I'm going in with this Huda Beauty lip liner in the color Rich Brown. And I'm just going to outline my lips. Now I'm going in with this cherry lip oil. I'm so sorry, I can't remember the name of it, and the name has smudged off. I haven't even had it for that long, but I do bring it with me almost everywhere because I really like it. So I'm going in with this cherry lip oil to add some shine, and then I thought that the middle could be lightened up a little bit, so I went in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Sucre d'Orge. I know you hear the French girl. Yeah, so I just put that in the middle, and I kind of, puckered my lips just to blend it a little more. And then I started feeling myself like she a baddie, she knows she a baddie, she's showing her, she's shaking like, ooh, and I almost forgot the setting spray. So next I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. I lied, so this is the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. So yeah, I just made sure I got that all over my face so that my makeup could last. And then I went back to feeling myself, all right? So, yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked it. This was my quick and easy makeup routine. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see more makeup routines. Let me know if you want to see my eyelash tutorial or my skincare routine. I'll be sure to get that for you. All right, so I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Also, off topic, but I did my hair. So if you want a hair tutorial, I got you on that too, okay? This was my first time trying this style, and I don't think I did too bad.